Luckily it's not dirt road. And welcome to Dominical, where you have parrots in the trees. Surf in the water. Long stretch of beach.
On the way to the waterfall. Waterfall! Let's see if we find it again one more time. It's gonna be fun. Ready, Tash?
Love your enthusiasm of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm ready.
We found the itchy cream!
That's a very important thing to have
That's
here.
one of the things we forgot to bring to Costa Rica, which was critical, is the anti-itchy cream. Because you get bitten.
Ew, every day.
Yeah, so we got this one. Very good. The first one we had was not good. So this is critical. We can't lose that. Welcome to our channel. Hi, I'm JB.
And I'm Tash.
So we finally decided we're gonna stay where we are for 2 more nights until Saturday. So it would have been a week. That's
Weeks
it.
are always good in a place,
Yeah,
honestly.
like
I know people enjoy going really quickly through places, but it's quite exhausting, like unpacking.
Yeah, we had the debate about is it better to move every 2-3 days or stay 1 week in a place, or like, and it depends, but definitely for us, staying at least 1 week in a place gives you time to settle, unpack, get used to the place, get a little bit of habit, and after you have pack, unpack, moving. And it's, but some people, maybe if you're younger, it's nice. Definitely. So for this waterfall, first you have to to go to this waterfall, Nauyaca waterfall. You need to come to the office first to get your bracelet and your parking tickets, and then you're gonna drive and carry on and get closer. So first stop, get a ticket. It's like a water park, and then yeah, let's go.
Follow the yellow tire.
Arrow.
Into the jungle!
So we just parked the car, and now I guess the hike begins. Maybe. I don't know where. There. I guess you're gonna just have to follow the sign. This is the 4x4?
Yeah.
So this is what we can get.
This is for the lazy.
If you're lazy and you have money. So this is how much this?
34 per person.
In addition?
Including the entry fee.
So it's $10 more.
No, $24 more.
You
Per
said
person.
you said 34 per person, and we paid.
11.
So it's $20 if you don't want to walk. It's say 4 kilometers, so, and we don't know what we're heading to. It's a nice bridge.
Oh, you can even like swim through.
I don't know if you can see, but we can see a waterfall like
In the mountain.
right there. I have no idea if it's where we're going, but it looks incredible.
It does look incredible.
Oh yeah, let's walk and walk and walk.
Tired.
It's been 30 seconds and we are tired. Nah, joking. But we have water, we have food, swimming suit, so I hope we'll survive this trip.
I think we're gonna be here all day.
So if you see this video, it means we made it.
Oh, so cool. It's busted. And you see my sweaty drops on my face already?
Yeah, definitely getting sweaty.
It's so humid. It's like the hair of the earth.
Yeah. You get warm and you get like on the way to.
Oh, that looks good. Yeah?
So you have this little like cool.
It's cold? Oh, that is nice. Woo! Schwer to tash. It's good? Yes, thank you.
Water break.
That is cold.
Yeah. Let's continue.
Oh, good breeze. Come to me.
Fresh air. 75% done. Yes. Yes.
4 kilometers would be so tough.
Yeah, it's the 4 kilometers. It's easy when it's flat, but and jungle.
Humid,
I don't know.
heat, middle of the day, mistake.
Yeah, it's 11:30, so yeah.
And we're hungry.
And we're hungry, so not the best
Gonna
combi.
start eating you.
Okay, 25% more and we're done.
I'm gonna give up. I break the last kilometers a bitch. I would pay $35. I would be the lazy person. Woo. Doesn't look like anything on camera, I think.
Bienvenido.
Casa? Mi casa? Tu casa? My casa?
So apparently there are 2 waterfalls. Waterfall number 1, 2. And let's start with waterfall number 1.
45 meters.
First,
Oh.
let's start with the big one, and
That's
then we're
huge.
gonna go to the small one.
Crazy.
So
No swimming? Not recommended for swimming.
this one is maybe too big. 'Cause if you want to swim, it's better to go on the small one.
Yeah,
Small one you can swim, enjoy. The big one is mainly taking picture.
that's okay.
So
Let's go and have a look at number 1 and then we'll come
at
chill at number 2.
1, let's take picture, have fun, and after go back and let's go swim.
Sounds like an idea.
Ah!
A little scary. Hello. Hi. Oh, when you see red or yellow tape like this, kind of freaks me out. Oh, William Moses. Not sure if you know, but I'm a little bit scared of heights. Woo, there. Oh. Wow.
That is it.
That is insane.
We went really. Storm is coming.
What? Ah, I can't hear you. So cool. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen such a big waterfall.
Thought that the waterfall was making us wet, but actually it started raining. Costa Rica rainy season. But it's okay, we came here to get wet, so
Okay.
we can see the rain and the clouds came.
As we make it to the waterfall, it rains.
Waterfall 2. So we are going to try to cross the river to go chill on a spot down there, the beach we saw. So we have to walk like here. Ready, my love? You want me to go first? good, my love? Come here. That's it, right. Vamos a la playa. To the playa. We are on the beach. That's a mission. Yeah, you can see the two.
Wow, that's so mad. Don't worry, I'm not going to cry this time. What's for lunch? We have a burrito with avocado, beans, I don't know what else we put inside there, a whole bunch of yummy vegetables. 2 burritos, chocolate milkshake, our new favorite thing in the world, Pringles, and biscuits. Ready? Oh, nom nom nom. It's kind of ironic, we were just like complaining about we're too hot, and now we're like, we need sun. We're never happy people, are we? Welcome to the waterfall.
We tried to fly the drone and we almost lost it. Apparently flying a drone on the waterfall is very dangerous because there is, I don't know, currents of air that you can't see. So our drone was there and then suddenly it was like getting pulled out. It was a very scary moment. Tash had a very scary moment. Tell us about it.
It was not fun. It was very scary. It just wouldn't stay in one place.
Yeah, I saved the drone, but the drone definitely eats some trees. They're like full of grass, and just like if you like skip the tree.
Yeah, it's fucking
So
scary.
maybe the sensor, the water, like something make the drone that the drone doesn't like waterfall.
I think it's just the wind coming over.
Yeah,
the
maybe
drone.
the wind you can see and.
You done? You sleepwalking? The walk home is way quicker. Well, the walk back to the car is way quicker than the way there. Hi! Enjoy it, my love!
This is the end of our week in Dominical. First week. Maybe we'll come back in a few days on our way back north. It was nice.
Yeah, I loved it.
It was great. It was very chill, small town. Surf was great, and you have 2 spots. So if it's nice, you have Dominical, and if it's too big, you can go to Dominicalito.
Which I love.
Yeah, which I love. Like baby wave, but a good wave.
It's
like
not baby wave.
it's like fun wave.
It is definitely not baby wave.
Yeah. Here we are on Dominical Beach. It's nice here because you have almost every day the market here.
Yeah, this is all the time, and then we had a market yesterday that was right next to our house, and that was really great. Like, I had cool food, some jewelry. I got myself a ring.
Promise you this, we are we did the thing when we lost control. Oh, I was just convinced cause.
So here you can buy some furniture, souvenir, t-shirt, drawers, wood stuff. Yeah, a lot of souvenir.
And a turtle. That's it. Can we take this one?
Yes.
Yeah. These palm trees are definitely a little bit more different from up north. They're like longer, and from what I read is these ones are actually from Africa, and they are normally used for palm oil. So they're not native to Costa Rica, which is not great. But what I found out was the palm oil, those trees which we're driving past when we're on our way here, they are for palm oil, and initially it was a banana plantation, and in the 1930s or the 1940s they became the banana crops got killed by like some virus, and they planted the palm oil, and it's one of the Costa Rica's biggest economy, I don't know, income. So I mean, palm oil is not great for the forest, but there's so much forest in Costa Rica that I think the people need money, obviously, and that's their major resource. So
Yeah, Costa Rica, they managed to grow palm tree for palm oil and to increase the forest surface, which is
the major
which
part.
is nice because in most of the country like Indonesia, the forest disappearing for
The palm oil.
The palm oil. So if you can find an economic model where you can
Have both.
both, you keep
Yeah,
your
it's
forest,
great.
but you can also grow. I think it's not that bad. But
And that forest was already gone because of the banana plantations.
Exactly, so it
they
was-
just basically reused the land and
Yeah.
grew.
yeah, they didn't destroy forest for palm oil.
And they're
purpose.
in research also at the moment where they're basically creating the palm trees shorter, so it takes a shorter period of time to grow. And it's obviously bringing a lot of income for the Costa Ricans in this community. So I still love the fact that I can see jungle and then see palm trees.
Yeah,
So that's Dominical.
that's it. That
That's
was
it.
great.
And
Hope you enjoyed.
Yes, subscribe, comment, share. We appreciate the love.
Oh yeah.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, we're gonna bring you along with our trip to Pavones and surf and everything else to see.
Yeah, and we're going to a really cool spot.
Oh
too
yeah,
at the end.
surprise. Yeah. So stay tuned.
We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.